I have found officially something that I like at Starbucks, and now I'm obsessed. This is a venti iced Americano with 6 pumps of caramel syrup and almond milk. It's delicious. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be showing with you my January favorites. I realized that I said I'm showing with you. I meant to say sharing with you, but you got the idea. And I'm not wearing makeup today. I was really my skin's been doing really well, but I've been wearing makeup every day for the past week and a half, so I wanted to give my face a little break, so I do apologize that I'm not wearing makeup or doing a makeup kind of tutorial or anything, but I just wanted to give my face a break and do a few videos. So the next 2 videos, maybe 3 that you'll probably see, are going to be without makeup on, but I have some things that I have been loving for the month of January and I would love to share them with you. So if you would like, I said it again, show them with you. Geez, I'd love to share them with you. So if you want to see the favorites, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so I've got a few things here. They're kind of now they're all here. Okay, so let's start off with lip stuff probably. I think that's I have a lot of lip stuff this time. I don't know why. I've really been into lipstick recently. I've always loved lipstick, but I've kind of gotten oh my god, lipstick, I don't know why. And I've had quite a big obsession with ColourPop recently. I don't know why. So the first thing I have here is I did pick up the Kathleen Lights X ColourPop Twinkling Lights little lip bundle right here. As you guys know, I am a big fan of Kathleen Lights. I think that she is so cute and she's really good on YouTube. I love watching her stuff, so I wanted to go ahead and support her, and I did pick up her little trio for her lip bundle, and inside here are all 4 of these. Oh god, let's try that again. So inside you get all 4 of these, and they're so freaking cute. Just look at the packaging here, and they're all in their little packaging. This one is a red shade. These 2 are glosses right here. This one right here is probably my favorite, and this one is called Lucky Star. It is a velvet liquid lip and it is red. It's just straight up stark red. It's absolutely beautiful. That one has to be my favorite. And then I really do love this gloss. I can't wear it over many lipsticks because this is a very high shine gloss. It's very shiny on the lips, and it is quite bold as well. So this is something you may just want to wear by itself with maybe a neutral eye or something. But this one's called Étoile, which is star in French. I know that because I watched her video releasing these, so I'm not just a connoisseur of French. I do love the French language though. But yeah, this one's called Étoile, and it's really gorgeous. And then these 2 right here, I have tried this one. I'm not the biggest fan of ColourPop's Ultra Matte Lips. I do like them, but I do find them to be a bit drying on my skin because I do have very dry skin anyways. I still love this shade though. This one's called Little Star, and it is this kind of I keep saying burgundy, that's not right. It's this kind of brown corally nude color. I do like it. And then this one I have not used on my own yet. This one is called Night Light, and it's this really cool brown gloss. Love that. And if you can see all the reflex and glitter in there, I'm so excited. So that is my first favorite. I have been loving especially that red. That one's probably my favorite one of the bunch. Sticking with the lip theme, I have another thing from ColourPop and Kathleen. This is her Dream Team set for when she came out with the Dream Street palette. This is her lip bundle that she came out with that. And again, I've been kind of obsessed. This one is my favorite. Oh, actually, I think this one's nope, which one is it? Yeah, this one's my favorite. This is the Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Dreamy. I love this shade. This one's my favorite in this set right here. And then I love this one also. It's called Rêve. It's meant to be dream in French, maybe? Rêve. I don't know how to say it. It's this one right here. It's really gorgeous. It's a very fiery orange red color. And then this one is Moonchild, and it is the glossy lip right here. And I don't know what it is. I love gloss, okay? But I used to hate gloss. I think I've probably said that in other videos. I used to not like gloss, but I'm trying to get into it, and I like it a lot. I love the idea of gloss, but I feel like gloss does not look good on me. I don't know why. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to make it work. Sippy, sippy. Who knows what channels that's from? Leave it in the comments. And next up, I have a highlight palette. And you guys, this one has been my highlight palette that I've used so much recently. It's this and like one other thing, but this one right here is the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost Pro palette, the Northern Lights palette. I'm not entirely sure I was going to like it when I got it. I got it because of the packaging and because the colors inside of it looked awesome. Like the colors looked amazing inside here, but I wasn't entirely sure if I was going to be able to use it viably every day for my highlight, but I have been, especially these two shades right here, Anchorage and Thawed Out. I've been using both of those as my highlights so often, and I love this palette. I love all these shades. Even that blue one in there, that would be really cool for like a rave, or if you're going to like Coachella. I think the actual Supreme Frost, this is my first time ever using a Supreme Frost anyways, and I'm so impressed. I love the formula. I think it works really, really well, so huge props to this palette. Next up here, I have some lashes, and these are by the brand Lily Lashes, and these are in the style Goddess. I love lashes that are more on the natural side, not ones that are super huge. I get why people wear those as well because they do look very very voluminous. They look really nice on a lot of people. Just for me personally, it's not my favorite type of look. I just don't think those big ones suit my my face shape and everything, but I think they look great on other people. But this right here, and also the Lotus lashes, I love those as well. I just didn't get them for some reason, but they are part of this favorites. They're Lotus lashes in the style 117 and 410. I love those as well, and these from Lily Lashes, I love these. They are quite long, but they are more wispy, and they're not so heavily packed like some of the other ones are, and that's what I like a lot. So these ones are 100% my fave. I ordered 3 more of them like 2 weeks ago because I was running out, so love these. Next up here is going to be no surprise to anybody. It is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I am late to the game on this, like super, super late. I was, really on the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray hype, which I do still love that setting spray. But this one right here, holy crap, you guys, I understand the hype on this setting spray. It's so good. It is in an aerosol can, and it is so nice. I shouldn't have sprayed that. I love it to bits. I think it's amazing, and it really does help a lot. I will spray this all over my face. I need to give me one of those like hand fans, like the fans that a lot of beauty gurus use. I'm not a beauty guru by any means, but those fans. But I usually just do like this and let it dry, and then I'll take a makeup sponge. It doesn't have to be wet. If the one that I'm using for foundation is already wet, I'll just use that one, and I just kind of like press the sponge into my face and just kind of set everything down with this setting spray. I love this stuff. If you've not used this, and if you're on the fence about it and you're just like, it's just a setting spray, it's fine. No, it's that good. Next thing here, I have this lip mask. Like, that's totally different for me. I have this lip mask. I don't know this brand. Is it Laneige? I can't pronounce this. I do apologize, but there is the name of the brand right there. Laneige, maybe. I'm not sure, but this is a sleeping lip mask, and I don't particularly use it. I don't really sleep in it. I just put it on my lips and have it sit there. It's I use it kind of like, not like chapstick, because I don't use it that often, but I just use it a little bit on my lips, and it's just so nice. I love it. It comes with a little applicator right here. And I'll just scoop some out and put it on my lips, and it feels so, so good. I love the smell of this. I can't smell very well. My nose does not work that good, but I can smell this, and it does smell like strawberries. So I do like this a lot, and it really helps with my lips. I have very dry skin. I have very dry lips because of that, and it really helps moisturize them and bring the moisture back into my lip area. So I'm obsessed. I love this stuff. And the one that I got, I got this at Sephora a while back, and the one that I got is in this little cute. Alright, so the rest, I've got 4 other things here, and these are all palettes. So let's go ahead and get started here. The first one that I want to show is this palette from Natasha Denona. It is not a full-size palette, obviously, because those are expensive. And But this one right here, my friend actually got for me, and it is the Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. Right here, this one is $25, and I know that is still very expensive for like 4 shadows, or yeah, 5. It's still really expensive for 5 shadows, but they are Natasha Denona brand, and they are really, really good. I do love them a lot. The packaging is still top notch. It's quite heavy, but as you can see here, you do have your nice gold, dark brown, kind of like champagne-y shade here, and then a light brown, and this kind of like blue-green neutral shimmer. It's actually really pretty. I love this thing. I didn't think that I would when I first got it, but I was just like, you know what, I really want to try it, and I ended up loving it. So I've never used any of her other like little mini palettes like this before, but this one I really, really do like. Next up here, I've got the one and the only Greek Goddess palette by Lunar Beauty. You guys, this palette has been one of my ride or dies for like since I've got it. Basically, I am obsessed with this packaging. I love this palette. I think it's so stunning. It is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. And then the shades inside, such good quality, you guys. I was floored. I was blown away when I tried this out because I knew that it was good. Like, I heard a lot of hype online about it saying that it was really good, and it had a lot of good reviews. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna bite the bullet because you guys know how much I love mythology. Any kind of pantheon of mythology, doesn't matter what it is. I love mythology. And I was just like, you guys, I have to bite the bullet. All drama aside, when it comes to, you know, Manny, I just wanted to focus on the makeup and everything. I don't even care about the drama anymore. I just wanted to focus on the makeup because this palette, you guys, is bomb. Like, it's so good. And if you've not tried it, then I would highly recommend getting your hands on it if it's still available. I'm not sure if it's available anymore, but I love this palette. It's so good. 2 more. Next one is from Kylie Cosmetics, and this is her Kylie X Jordan palette that she came out with a while ago, actually. But I know this is not a new palette, but it is new to me because I got it like very end of December to the very beginning of January. I don't remember when I actually got it, but I got it a long time ago, and I've been using it all throughout January. But I really like this palette. I love the colors in it. The actual packaging is very heavy and nice, and the colors are really, really nice. It has your neutrals, all that good stuff in there, and then it also has this really lovely pop of purple, 2 purples here, or 3 purples actually. And then this one right here, this Marry Me shade, is awesome. I love that shade so much. And then all the rest of them are just super nice. I am super glad that I got this palette. It got restocked. That's what happened. It was a restock, and I was able to pick it up because I didn't buy it the first time it came out because I don't know why, but I'm very happy that I did end up picking this up, and I'm not disappointed and in the slightest. And the very last thing, you guys, is another thing from ColourPop and Kathleen. I have a problem, I guess, but there's a reason why it's so good, and this is the ColourPop x Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette, and I finally bought this. I'm like so late to the game when it comes to this, but I finally got it, and it's so good. It's really so good. I have only used a handful of ColourPop shadows before. I have the Soul and the Mar palette, and I have the Disney palette. And then I got my very first palette from ColourPop I ever got was the Zodiac palette from Kathleen. So I don't have all too many of them. I have the It's My Pleasure palette now, but anyways, this palette is so good. It's so good. This one has not been used because I have another one that I've been using. I'm saving this one. I got 2. That's why. So this one has not been used. My other one is in there, but I wanted to show you the pretty one. But this one right here is so stunning, you guys. This palette, I am actually obsessed with it. I love it. It's so beautiful. It blends really nicely. The palette is gorgeous. The colors are gorgeous. I just can't say enough good things about this palette. I love it a lot. And you guys, those are my January favorites. I really hope that you did enjoy the video. Yeah, all this stuff is really great. I love every single one of these because it's in the favorites, obviously. But you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. If you did like it, then go ahead and click up that like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!